Your professors will never explain these words to you like this. Number one, tachycardia. Tachy means fast and cardia means heart. This has to do with abnormally fast heart rate, typically over 100 beats per minute in adults. Number two, tachypnea. Tachy once again means fast and pnea means breath or air. This is abnormally fast breathing. Other words that end with pnea, we have dyspnea meaning difficulty in breathing. So take note. Tachometer. Tacho means fast or speed and meter means to measure. So an instrument that measures the working speed of an engine. That's your tachometer to measure the speed of the engine. So your key points for today is that anywhere you see tacky or taco, you should think fast or speed. Yes, like this Mr. Incredible song. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and hit that subscribe button. See you on our next video.